Hi Best Buds, it's Kathy with Kathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make some mini faux envelopes for our junk journals. But first, let's have our shout out to Denise, Tammy, Kaylee, Nancy, Holly Grove Journals, SG, and Joyce. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, I know we all have some scrapbook pages. This happens to be in German. I think it's German. Anyway, I mounted it on a piece of hard cardstock, that's what I wanted to say, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim this to be just a tad over an inch, and I am going to use my grid because I am just rotten at trying to cut a straight line, and if it's not fairly straight it bothers me. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to trim this. Then you could actually, there's two of them, that'd be perfect. Okay, then what I'd like to do is go ahead and cut this right here 2 inches and a tad. And so I'm just going to mark this, and so I can, and a tad. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark them all the way down, I think I would say. Well, if that's 2 inches, something happened here. Okay, something happened right there. I think it was an inch and a tad. I measured that wrong. See, even measuring, I get all mixed up. Okay, you guys. So now what I'd like to do is go ahead and just trim off the top, just like this, making it a point, just like that. So it's a point. So it looks just like an envelope, right? We can even fold it down. That would be fine as well. And what we want to do is get our ink and ink around the edges. We just have to do it on this one side because we're making a little piece of decoration, shall we say. Anyway, so now what I have is I have my little word stamp. It's my tiny one. I'm going to bring in my black ink, and I am going to just do a little bit. Yes, I'm going to do just a little bit right there, so it looks like that now. Looks just like this. And now I'm going to bring in my circle, my stamp for my postage. I'm just going to do like that, make a little stamp, and then I'm going to bring in my, whoop, turn that upside down, didn't I? Oh my goodness. Now, isn't that adorable? Okay, now what we'd like to do is, where did that little sheet go that I thought I messed up, which will be just perfect. Let's cut one of these. So this is an inch and a tad. And let's go ahead and ink this around just like this. Then let's do the exact same thing and bring in our stamps. And let's see, stamp our little square, put in our postage, mark our postage, bring in the little marker, where it turns it over each time, doesn't it? There we go. Now, isn't that cute? Now you're like, okay, these are just adorable, Kathy, but what are we supposed to do with them? Okay, let me show you. I brought in some things that I have made. This is a tag. Isn't it cute on a tag? Oh, my goodness. I think that's, you just use it as a decoration. Or you could make like a cluster and use it like this. You could put this on a book page, or you could actually, you could put it on a tag like that. And then I also have a very small little piece like this that you could use once again as decoration, or you could put it as a decorative on a tag. There's so many things that you can do with these itty bitty faux envelopes. Oh, you guys, I have had great fun sharing with you. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.